Today I am making my favorite Gulabjam recipe and cup. I have taken here 200 grams Gulabjam packet, and there are many names of this Gulabjam packet. And I have taken here some milk and I have taken here 200 grams sugar and some kesar, and this is sugars and elaichi powder and some kesar. And now I am starting the recipe. Now I have cut this gulab jamun packet. I am putting it in this. Now we have to put some milk in this. I have making the dough of that, mixing some milk in this. I am making circles of this. I take some. People are listening. Now I am putting some sugar in this. I am putting 2 cups of sugar in the bowl. And I have given some oil to get hot to fry the gulab jamun. Now I am making this. Now I am putting some water in this. I am putting some kesar. And this. I'm mixing. Okay, now I'm frying this gulab jamun. Now we have to fry this oil. Now I'm frying gulab jamun. You can see. Putting them in a small dish. Okay, now I have removed and my pak is also ready. Okay, now my pak is also ready. Now I am putting gulab jamun in this. I am putting some gulab jamun in this. till the color gets dark. I am putting this gulab jamun in this pack. Gulab jamun in this. Okay, now I am putting all gulab jamun in this. I am putting. Okay, now I am keeping it for a few minutes. Now I am putting it. Gulab jamun in this. Okay, I am putting gulab jamun in this. And you can see, friends, how my gulab jamun tasting. I will test it. This is so yummy. I mean, you can also try this recipe in your home or in a birthday party or in celebration. I mean, you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.